Hey there everyone, here are the 10 reasons I flipped from the Flip 6 to the Flip 7, even though I just bought the 6 a few months ago. First up, the 4.1-inch cover screen. That might not sound like a huge jump from the 3.4 inches of the Flip 6, but in everyday use, it's a big difference. I can see more, do more, and it just feels way more usable, especially for quick replies, music controls, and Google Gemini. Looking back at the Flip 6 screen, it just seems so outdated compared to the newer Flip 7 screen. Speaking of the outer display, reason number 2 is the screen is now 120 Hz. That makes it super smooth whether I'm swiping through widgets or scrolling a feed. On the Flip 6, the 60 Hz refresh rate felt fine, but you get smoother animations, the scrolling is nice, it's a better experience overall with the Flip 7, and you don't want to go back. Reason number 3, the inner display got a noticeable upgrade. The Flip 7 now has a new 21:9 ratio with a 6.9-inch screen. It's a little wider and easier to watch videos, multitask, or as you can see here, typing is easier with the larger keyboard. I'm definitely making less typing mistakes with the larger keyboard, and that is fantastic. Watching videos on the Flip 7 feels instantly better. You get more screen real estate, and there's way less of those annoying black bars. It fills the display more naturally, giving you a cleaner, more immersive view. Whether it's a YouTube clip or a full movie, everything looks bigger, bolder, and it's just more satisfying on the Flip 7 compared to the Flip 6. Reason number 4, the cover screen got a major bump from 1600 nits to 2600. That's a huge help outdoors. That means whether you're outdoors in direct sunlight or trying to check a notification on the go, the screen stays crystal clear and easy to read. No more squinting, no more shade hunting, it just works wherever you are. One of the most underrated upgrades on the Flip 7 is the hinge. It's noticeably smaller, giving the phone a cleaner, sleeker look when folded. But it's just not about looks, it's also stronger. The redesigned hinge feels more solid and refined when opening and closing, with less flex and more confidence. It's a subtle change, but you can feel the improvement every time you use it. Reason number 6 is the 4300 milliamp battery now, up from 4000 on the Flip 6. Yes, the outer display might eat into that a little, but I've been seeing better screen on time overall. It's a welcome bump. The Flip 7 will give me 7 years of updates thanks to its shipping with Android 16 and One UI 8. It's snappier, smoother, and brings new AI features baked right in. The Flip 6 is still on Android 15, One UI 7 when I filmed this, so that alone makes the Flip 7 feel more current and future-proof. Reason number 8 is a nice one for me. Google Gemini also works on the Flip 7's outer screen, unlike the Flip 6, where I have to flip it open to gain access. That's huge for me. I can ask questions, get help on the go, or even write content, all without flipping the phone open. That makes the outer screen feel way more powerful. Reason number 9 is the Flip 7 is thinner. 6.5 millimeters when open, compared to the 6.9 on the Flip 6. When folded, the Flip 7 is 13.7, which is 1.2 millimeters thinner than last year. It doesn't seem like much, but it's a step in the right direction. Finally, reason number 10. I was able to double my memory to 512 gigabytes for free when pre-ordering the Flip 7. My Flip 6 had 256 gigabytes, and while that's still solid, having the extra space is a game changer if you shoot lots of videos or download offline media. So there they are, the 10 reasons why I declared the Flip 7 the winner. Which of the 10 impresses you the most? If you're still on the fence, I hope these 10 reasons give you some clarity on why the Flip 7 might just be worth the upgrade. Let me know in the comments if you made the switch or if you're sticking with your Flip 6 for now. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful.